Hello everyone. So CAT 2025 examination, as you know, the application form window is closed. But because CAT authorities got numerous requests from the students, CAT authorities have decided to open up the edit window for one more day. And in this edit window, there is only one change that you will be able to make. What is the change I am going to share with you in this video? So, the edit window will start on 9th October morning 10:30 a.m. and the edit window will last till 10th October evening 5 o'clock. In this period only you will be able to access the editing of your application form. But what can you edit? You may only make one change in your CAT application form, which is you will be able to select IIM Guwahati and the management program that IIM Guwahati offers. You will be able to opt for that. That's the only change that they are allowing you to make. Remember, earlier in the previous edit window, they did allow you to change the signature, photograph, as well as test city preferences. But right now, that option is not there. Only IIM Guwahati program can be opted for. Now the question is, how do I opt for IIM Guwahati? All you need to do is log in into your application form, go to CAT portal, log in, and once you have logged in, go to the program section of your CAT application form, use a scroll bar, pull it down. You can expect IIM Guwahati at the bottom of the list, opt for it. There will be a checkbox next to it, put a tick mark there and opt for the program. That's all that you need to do and save that change. Now remember, if you are somebody who is right now in dilemma whether I should apply to IIM Guwahati or not, our recommendation to you is please go ahead and apply. If you don't want to join, you may not join later on, you can decide about it later on. But as of now, go ahead and apply to it. Moreover, even if you don't join, even if you get an interview call, it will give you good practice for interviews. But having said that, don't forget, we are talking about an IIM. And IIM, of course, are renowned for providing excellent quality education, brand value and placements. So it definitely makes sense to go ahead and apply to IIM Guwahati. So with this, I have come to the end of this video. If you like the content, do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel because we regularly upload this kind of useful content. And do share this video with your friends or family members who may be aspiring to write CAT or who might have already written CAT or who may have applied for CAT 2025 and they want to make this edit. It definitely would help them. Thank you everyone for watching this.